Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most amazing destinations and architectural wonders around the world. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of a stunning beach house renovation in beautiful Bali, Indonesia. Get ready to be blown away. As we approach the beach house, our eyes are immediately drawn to its modern yet tropical design. The architect has skillfully combined contemporary elements with traditional Balinese influences, creating an aesthetic that truly captures the essence of this enchanting island. Stepping inside, we're greeted by an abundance of natural light flooding in through large windows, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, allowing for an uninterrupted flow of space. The choice of materials is impeccable, with a harmonious blend of wood, stone, and concrete throughout the house. The use of teakwood, a signature material in Balinese architecture, brings a sense of warmth and authenticity to the space. Its natural grain and warm hues perfectly complement the tranquil surrounding nature. The living room is a haven of relaxation, featuring plush furnishings and cozy seating arrangements. A large, comfortable sofa invites you to unwind and soak up the breathtaking views, while strategically placed indoor plants bring a touch of the outdoors inside. Moving into the kitchen, it's hard not to be impressed by its sleek design and state-of-the-art appliances. The minimalist white cabinetry beautifully contrasts with the dark granite countertops, creating a modern and sophisticated space. And let's not forget the stunning island countertop, where we can picture ourselves enjoying a casual breakfast with the sound of crashing waves in the background. The dining area is nestled beside a panoramic window, offering panoramic views of the turquoise ocean. Imagine savoring a delicious meal while being serenaded by the gentle sea breeze, pure bliss. With an elegant dining table and comfortable chairs, this space is perfect for entertaining friends and family. Heading upstairs, we come across the master bedroom, a true sanctuary of luxury. The king-size bed is positioned to face a large window, framing picturesque views of the shoreline and allowing the first rays of golden sunlight to gently awaken its occupants. The tasteful decor and carefully chosen color palette create a serene atmosphere, fostering deep relaxation and restful nights. The ensuite bathroom is a work of art in itself. Featuring a freestanding bathtub, a rain shower, and sleek double vanities, this spa-like retreat invites indulgence and rejuvenation. But what sets it apart is the beautiful incorporation of Balinese elements, such as carved wooden fixtures and tropical plants, which bring a touch of nature into this oasis of relaxation. As we explore further, we encounter the guest bedrooms, each with its own unique charm and character. From the earthy tones and woven textures to the meticulously placed artwork, every detail has been carefully curated to create a welcoming and comfortable space for visiting guests. Now, let's step outside and capture the true essence of beachside living. The outdoor area is a true work of art, with a spacious wooden deck leading to a stunning infinity pool that seemingly merges with the ocean. Picture yourself lounging on one of the sunbeds, basking in the warm tropical sun and enjoying the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. On the property, you'll also find a beautifully landscaped garden filled with exotic plants and vibrant flowers, enhancing the tropical ambiance that Bali is renowned for. Whether you're hosting a barbecue by the pool, hosting a yoga session on the lawn, or simply savoring a quiet moment in the shade of a palm tree, this outdoor space is the epitome of relaxation and tranquility. Before we conclude our tour, we cannot forget to mention the breathtaking rooftop terrace. Here, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the surrounding beach, the lush foliage, and the vibrant sunsets that Bali is famous for. It's the perfect spot to unwind with a refreshing cocktail, immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, and witness the colors of the sky transforming as the day comes to a close. And there you have it, a captivating journey through this stunning beach house renovation in Bali, Indonesia. From the contemporary design and attention to detail to the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces, this beach house truly embodies the beauty and tranquility of its surroundings. So, if you ever find yourself in Bali, don't forget to explore this architectural gem. And until our next adventure, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our exciting travel endeavors. Thanks for joining us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.